Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're going to be going up along the Sarasota and Bradenton coastline to seeing all the popular beachfront areas and all the beautiful destinations along our coast. Starting at the south end of Turtle Beach to the north end of Anna Maria Island. Here we have the first of many little shopping plazas that we will see on this tour. This is located on Stickney Point Road right before the Stickney Point Bridge. This bridge brings you over to Siesta Key, which is an island and has two of the main beaches on our tour. This bridge is the closest bridge to Turtle Beach and Siesta Beach. At the end of the bridge, you will hit the one and only main road on the island called Midnight Pass. You have more local restaurants, bars, and shopping. This is one of many daiquiri decks you are going to see on this tour because they are very popular and have several locations. Midnight Pass is a beautiful tropical road surrounded by trees and multi-million-dollar houses. Turtle Beach is a public beach located on the south end of Siesta Key in Sarasota. It is known for its large number of sea turtles that nest on the shore. It has a very convenient kayak launch area near the entrance and plenty of beachfront that is accessible to the public, as well as camping, picnic areas, and a children's play area. Now moving on to Siesta Key and Siesta Key Village. Leaving and heading north on Midnight Pass, you will hit Siesta Key Beach, which is probably one that you've already heard of before. This beach has plenty of room and things to do. It has a soccer field and tennis and volleyball courts. Their restrooms are nicely kept and they have shower stalls and picnic areas. They even have a playground area for kids that is conveniently located near the main entrance and concession stand. If you like the less traditional sunset walk on the beach, every Sunday evening before sunset, there is a Siesta Key drum circle. This tradition usually happens Sunday evenings right before sunset. Leaving Siesta Key and heading further north on Midnight Pass, you will hit Siesta Key Village, which is another popular destination. It has a lot of bars, coffee shops, restaurants, and a bike or small cart rentals. To get to the next beach on our tour, you have to go back on the mainland and head north towards downtown Sarasota to the John Ringling Bridge. Let's take the bridge over and head towards St. Armand's and Lido Beach. St. Armand's is another very popular destination for tourists and locals alike. It's technically centered around a roundabout and has many unique local restaurants to art galleries. Taking the second exit around the roundabout, you will get to Lido Beach. Lido is personally one of my favorite views, and you have an easy walk to the circle to grab a bite to eat after sunset. Here we are at the tip of Lido Key and taking this road called John Ringling Parkway that turns into the bridge onto Longboat Key. But before we go over the bridge, this side has the Moat Marine Aquarium, a marina, fishing pier, and New Pass Grill and Bait Shop. This road, called John Ringling Parkway, turns into the Gulf of Mexico Drive that goes straight through the next island, which is Longboat Key. And this island has a lot more residential areas. All the islands are very, very thin, and from this aerial view, you can really see both sides of Longboat. Before we hit the next beach, I'd like to show you Bayfront Park, which is a public park on Longboat Key with a kayak launch, tennis, and pickleball courts. I believe it has one of the most peaceful and open views of the east side of the island. Continuing further north on this road, you will hit the tip of the island and Longboat Pass Bridge, leading you directly to Coquina Beach. We are already on the Coquina side, but here's the aerial view to show you where we came from. This is one of my favorite spots because you can see all the different boats passing while getting enough sand area near the water. Coquina has plenty of parking and plenty of room on the beach because it goes on for miles. You also have a concession stand on the west side and markets that are held 2 days a week. Going on a quarter mile from the bridge, you have the first trolley stop that can take you all over the island for free. It really is the easiest way to get around the island for a day and has a routine stop every 30 minutes. It will also take you to the most popular destinations on the island. There's also a scat bus that stops at the same location for those farther destinations. Have Bradenton Beach, which also has the cutest little beach town, which is home to many locals and has many restaurants and bars. Again, you can really see how skinny this island really is and how much sandy beach space you have on the west side of the island. While driving or walking on these main roads, you have many small public paths to the beach. Moving further north, you have the next island called Anna Maria Island, which is home to Holmes Beach and Anna Maria Beach. Anna Maria has a shop, concession stand, and restaurant that offers a great place to cool down on those really hot summer months. Anna Maria Island probably has the most of those small public pathways towards the tip of the island, and you have a small shopping area and a couple really popular waterfront restaurants. But here we are at the end and the tip of Anna Marie Island. And this is also the end of our tour, and I hope you all enjoyed it and can appreciate the Floridian lifestyle. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and give our channel a follow. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we show you a little bit more of what goes on in the local Sarasota area. If you're curious about moving here, please give us a call at 941-400-6877 or visit our website at www.soldbynold.com.